Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of fasting tracker on the application how to fix or how to solve the problem on the application of fasting tracker. We will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about fasting tracker and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.